Right here is the Renegade Stainless Steel Cleaner, and in today's video I'm going to show you how well this works on all kinds of metal. It not only cleans stainless steel, it also cleans everything and protects it. And in today's video I am going to show you how well it cleans this fuel tank. For context, this fuel tank is dirty. It's not as dirty as the other side, but this fuel tank is dirty, and I'm going to show you how well it cleans it. I'm going to not clean this one yet, and I'm going to show you the difference between the before and after, and you'll see how well this stainless steel cleaner works. And yes, this video is sponsored by Renegade. The product is attached to this video and attached in the description and pinned comment, so don't forget to buy yourself one. If you do, you get to support the channel and me by creating better quality content. First thing you're going to do is shake the sucker really well. Also, for the microfiber towel, you want to keep one side for the dirty side and one side for the clean fluffing outside. You either want to spray this stuff onto the dirty side of the microfiber towel, or spray a fine mist over the area that you're going to be cleaning, just like so. Then what you want to do is wipe. Look at that shine, folks. It did so well. I could read the cap. The cap of my fuel tank is so shiny. I could read all the specifications everywhere. It is really, really shiny and does its job. This product works the best. I recommend grabbing it. Come on and take a look on the other side, how dirty it is and how well this product actually cleaned and shined up this tank. Man, just look at the other side. Look how dirty it is. Yeah, that's dirty. That's dirty. It cleans all up. So just to finish it off, I'm going to clean the second fuel tank and show you how clean this one also turns out. So I am a little too lazy to finish everything, but you can see the difference of the shine and how well it works. But you can see the main fuel tank that I cleaned. The rest is just scratches and scuffs, so you can't ever really eliminate those unless you use like a blaster or something. But you can see how well it cleaned up the fuel tank out of just a little bit of effort. Imagine if I did more effort and more scrubbing, I would have completely cleaned this fuel tank off. Not canceled. Guys, I'm EDDIEV. 2004 turn right. This particular package. Driving attempt on the 6 Series.